All right, now I'm going to perform my in-cab inspection. First, I'm going to check my seatbelt, make sure it's properly mounted and secured, it's not ripped or frayed, it adjusts and latches properly. My fire extinguisher, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, fully charged. I have 3 red reflective triangles underneath the bunk, and my spare electrical fuses are in the glove box. I'm going to perform a safe start. First, I'm going to put in my alarm code. I'm going to turn the key to the on position, make sure my ABS lights come on and off. Make sure I'm in neutral, apply the brake, and start the engine. Okay. I'm going to check my windshield and mirrors. Make sure they're properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. They're clean, no obstructions, and my mirrors are adjusted to me. Then check my voltmeter. The alternator's charging between 13 to 14 volts. My oil pressure is rising up to normal operating range. My water temperature is rising up to normal operating range. And my air pressure is rising up to the governor cutout between 120 and 125 psi. Check my lighting indicators, my left turn signal indicator, my right turn signal indicator, my high beam indicator, and my 4-way indicator. Check my heat and defrost. Turn to defrost and floor. Turn my fan on. I'm going to make sure the defrost is blowing by the windshield. I'm going to make sure my heat's blowing from down below. Check my city horn and my air horn. Now I'm going to perform an air brake test. I've already chalked the tires, and so I'm going to release both brakes. I'm going to turn the truck off and turn the key back to the on position. Okay, stage 1, the applied pressure test. I'm going to apply a hard brake and I'm going to wait for the gauges to stabilize. I'm going to hold this hard brake for 1 minute. During that time, make sure I don't lose more than 4 psi while listening for leaks. And now that my gauges have stabilized, Mr. Examiner, could you please start my time? All right. I did not lose more than 4 psi. Next, I'm going to pump down on the brakes until my warning light and buzzer come on at or before 60 psi. Okay, my warning light and buzzer came on. Finally, I'm going to pump down on the brakes until both my trailer valve and my tractor valve pop out between 40 to 20 psi. All right, both my valves have popped out. That concludes my air brakes. Now I'm going to restart the vehicle. And as I let the vehicle regain air pressure, I'm going to go remove my wheel chocks. All right, I'm going to continue to rebuild my air pressure. Okay, now that my air pressure has reached governor cutout once again, now I'm going to perform a parking brake check. First, I'm going to release my tractor brakes, apply my trailer brakes, put the vehicle in drive. I'm going to give a light tug on my trailer's brakes. Okay, the trailer brake's held. Now I'm going to apply my tractor brake, release my trailer brakes. I'm going to give a light tug on my tractor. Okay, my tractor brake's held. Now I'm going to release both sets of brakes. I'm going to pull forward to 5 miles per hour, apply the brake pedal, make sure it comes to a smooth stop and the truck doesn't pull left or right. Okay, The truck did not pull left or right. This concludes my in-cab inspection.